So today I have a handful of really cool and innovative Pocket 3 accessories that will help unleash it. Plus a really brilliant comment that came in showing me how you can extend this, but we'll get to that in a second.
Mr. Black.
Okay, the first set of accessories comes in from a company called Scotty Makes Stuff. They make a lot of really cool accessories, but for the Pocket 3, the first one we're gonna focus on is their slim battery extension case. And it's like a really hard, heavy-duty plastic where you can slide your Pocket 3 into it. It also has a nice interior, so it's not gonna scratch it up. You can then tighten the screw thread on the bottom, and it still gives you access to a screw thread if you wanna mount that on a tripod. If you look around the sides, there are 1/4-inch mounts all over the place. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can add extra accessories. It's got these grooves on it as well, so it fits nicely in your hand. They have all the right cutouts, and you can even access the SD card. It has the cutouts for the microphones that are on board. And then you have this case right here that just pops on, snaps into place. Yeah, that is not messing with your camera. And it comes in under $35 US. However, if you wanted to step it up just a notch for $5 more, they have their pro level version. But before we get to that, if you're new here and you like this kind of stuff, don't be a stranger to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. And if you click that like button, YouTube will keep feeding you Pocket 3 goodness. So make sure you hit that. And yeah, let's get to the next one. And it's the same kind of concept. It's a hard plastic. It's got all the right cutouts. It's got really nice felt inside, just keeping your Pocket 3 safe. You slide your camera down there and you're going to put the screw thread in just to make it nice and locked in place. And it's got little protection on the side that won't affect your screen. Actually protects it just that much more. And with this, it's really cool. You just slide the top part in and it actually snaps into place like that, and then you can pop it off just like so. They have this little plastic clip that you can pop in here and use the screw, and then now you have like a clip that you can put on your belt. This one also does come with 2 cold shoe mounts that you can pop on there. But yeah, you can put your phone on here, you can put your lights and mics, but also to mention that it does also come with the action mount to screw thread, so if you wanted to put this thing onto any of your action mounts that you already have, that will work. The other accessory you can get on top of that, well, literally, is this roll cage. Just snap it into place, and then when you turn your camera on, it doesn't interfere with the gimbal. Obviously, when you go side to side, you will like see the sides there, but you can spin it all the way back and see yourself without getting in the way. But what this is good for is, yeah, if you're doing something and you don't want to worry about it getting hit like from the top, that will save it from that. And that comes in under $10 US, so check out the link in the description for that. Scotty Makes Stuff also has this little attachment kit pro that you can get around $35, and that comes with this little tripod ball head, another ball head that you can put on any other tripod, a clip mount, a magnetic mount, not to mention a suction cup mount, and a bunch of different action to 1/4 thread or 1/4 thread to action. So if you're ordering those other ones and you needed some of that stuff, it's a pretty good piece of kit that you can pick up. And one more thing with Scott Makes Stuff, they have this filter case. I love this one because first of all, it's magnetic. Fill it with your favorite filters and even SD cards, so you can add your SD cards in there and keep them nice and safe. So that's a really nice little box for around $13 US. The next one comes in from our friends at Ulanzi, and this is a Pocket 3 expansion adapter. And it's made from aluminum alloy, very strong material, but it's got a nice silicone padding inside of it. And it's actually pretty simple. You just put this around your Go 3 just like so, and you have this little cutout for your controls, and then you're gonna close it and snaps into place, and it automatically locks into place. It doesn't really affect the controls. You can still use them and access them. It's actually pretty nice. It's cut out, and it gives you a cold shoe on the side, plus it gives you an action mount, so you can put this on your action camera accessories, and then also has a 1/4 thread right there, so you can put that on a tripod like if you wanted to face it like that. Now DJI with the Action 4, 3, and 2, they have their little clamp mount that works at the bottom, and that's what you can also use on the bottom of this Ulanzi one. You can just pop this on there and you can use it just like that. And they also have some accessories that you can put on top of that, like lights and other things. So it's actually a really nice expansion adapter. It is built really nicely, and I could see that being awesome for vlogging because you can just pop your microphone right there, and that would work. All right, so lastly, this is actually a really cool one. I made that video for the Pocket 4. And I was saying how cool it would be to have an accessory where you can extend this thing out and be able to control it from down below, like have these controls and even that screen down at the bottom of like your selfie stick. And this clever fellow right here just reminded me that with some good MacGyvering accessories, you can actually achieve that with your smartphone using the app. And I was like, oh yeah, kind of forgot that you can control your Pocket 3 with the app. So we're gonna put the Pocket 3 on top of this selfie stick, and then I can put my phone here. That way, if you want to get like really high up shots or just like over railing and you want to be able to see what the shot is and even control it, you can do that. That's brilliant. Thank you so much for that comment. But anyway, that's the video today, and those are the accessories. Make sure you check out Scotty Makes Stuff and some of the really cool accessories they have, like a 4th access gimbal thing that's, yeah, I gotta get my hands on that and play around with that. Other than that, if you want to see some other cool Pocket 3 accessories, I'll have a link over here. If you want to see some cool tips and tricks and cinematic shots you can get, check out one of these videos over there, and I'll see you there.